Welcome to my channel. Today we discussed about the higher order linear differential equation of the form f of d into y is equal to sin ax or cos ax, where f of d is in third and fourth order. Okay, come to the problem. Solve d power 3 minus 3d square plus 4 into y is equal to 6 plus 8 cos 2x. Here you can see it is in third order problem. First, it is in operator form. Therefore, straight away you can write the auxiliary equation. Put d is equal to m. We get the auxiliary equation, that is m power 3 minus 3m square plus 0m plus 4. Here you can see there is no d term. Therefore, I can write it as 0 into m plus 4 equal to 0. Then by Harness method, first we can find the one root. After finding the root, the equation reduces to quadratic equation. Then as usual you can apply the quadratic form formula. Next you can find the roots for the quadratic equation. Then the roots are minus 1 comma 2 comma 2. It is in the form of m1, that is unequal, m comma m, that is equal roots. Therefore the roots are real and unequal and equal. Therefore, complementary function equal to c1 e power m1x plus c2 plus c3x into e power mx, where m1 equal to minus 1, m is equal to 2. That is the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, here you can see what is RHS? 6 plus 80 cos 2x. Therefore, 6 plus 80 cos 2x by f of d is equal to 6 by f of d plus 80 cos 2x by f of d, that is equal to p I1 plus PI2. Coming to the PI1, what is PI1? 6 into e power 0x by d power 3 minus 3d square plus 4. Here what is the rule for e power? It is first case, put d is equal to 0, that means x coefficient. 6 into 1 by 0 minus 0 plus 4. Simply it is 6 by 4. Equal to 3 by 2 by cancellation. Therefore, PI1 is equal to 3 by 2. Next, coming to the PI2, PI2 is equal to 80 cos 2x. PI2 is equal to 80 cos 2x by d power 3 minus 3d square plus 4. 3d square plus 4. Here, what is the coefficient of x? X coefficient is 2, that is a is equal to 2. A square is equal to 2 square in, that is equal to 4. Put d square value, that is equal to minus a square, that is minus 4 in f of d. Here you can see d power 3 can be written as 80 cos 2x by d power 2 into d minus 3d square as it is plus 4. Here what is the substitution for d square? For only d square you can substitute minus 4. For remaining terms you can put as it is. 80 cos 2x by minus 4d minus 3 into minus 4 plus 4. What is the rule for sine and cos? Put d square equal to minus 4. That is the rule for sine and cos. 80 cos 2x by minus 4d plus 12 plus 4. That is equal to 80 cos 2x by, simply it is minus 4d plus 16. Minus 4 is common. 80 by minus 4 into cos 2x by d minus 4, because minus 4 is common. 4 ones are 4 20s are, that is equal to minus 20 into, here you can see cos 2x by d minus 4. Multiply numerator and denominator with d plus 4 for getting d square in denominator. You can multiply d plus 4 with d plus 4. Okay. what you get? Minus 20 into d plus 4 into cos 2x by denominator value is d square minus 16, because it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a is d, b is 4. Okay, minus 20 into d of cos 2x plus 4 cos 2x whole divided by, put d square is equal to what? Put d square is equal to x coefficient is 2, that is minus 4. Minus 4 minus 16. D of cos 2x is minus 20 into minus 2 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x by minus 20. It becomes cancel. Therefore, 4 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x is PA2. Solution is by adding y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore, y is equal to, what is complementary function? Here you can see the complementary function is minus 1 comma 2 comma 2, that is c1 e to the power of minus x plus c2 plus c3 x into e to the power of 2x plus pa2 is 3 by pa1 is 3 by 2 plus 4 cos 2x minus 2 sin 2x is the complete solution for d power 3 type problem. Okay, next coming to the next problem. Here you can see, solve d power 3 minus 1 into y is equal to e power x plus sin power 3x plus 2. Here you can observe sin power 3. You can change it as follow. Okay, first write the auxiliary equation, m power 3 plus 0m square plus 0m minus 1. There is a formula also, a cube minus b cube. Otherwise, you can apply the harness method. Okay, that is your choice. First write the coefficients. What is m power 3 coefficient? M power 3 coefficient is 1, m coefficient is 0, m coefficient is 0, constant is minus 1. But try by 1. You can apply the harness method. We get 1 root. After getting the 1 root, the equation reduces to quadratic form. Then apply the formula for quadratic form. Then find the roots. The roots are 1 comma minus 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. m1 comma a plus or minus ib. m1 is equal to 1. A is equal to minus 1 by 2. B is equal to root 3 by 2. Like this you have to write the complementary function. The roots are unequal and complex. You can complete the complementary function procedure. Coming to the PA is equal to e power x by f of d plus sin power 3x by f of d plus f2 by f of d. Okay, here you can see the first one is PA1 plus PA2 plus PA3. Like this you have to write PA1 plus PA2 plus PA3. Here you can see what is PA1. PA1 is equal to e power x by f of d is d power 3 minus 1. Put d is equal to 1. D is equal to, what do we get? E power x by 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0 is not defined. Therefore, for calculating the 0 case, here you can see if f of 1 is equal to 0, then PA is equal to, PA1 is equal to x into e power x by f dash of d. What is f of d? Here f of d is equal to d power 3 minus 1. F dash of d is equal to 3d square. Therefore, PA1 is equal to x into e power x by f dash of 1. What is f dash of 1? Put d is equal to 1 in derivative of the f. Okay, x into e power x by 3 into 1 square. X into e power x by 3 is PA1. Coming to the PA2, sin power 3x by d power 3 minus 1. D power 3 sin power 3x by d power 3 minus 1 is PA2. Coming to the PA2 formula, you can apply the sin 3a formula. Here you can see sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin power 3a. Sin power 3a is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sin a minus sine 3a. Therefore, here you can see sine power 3x, put a is equal to x. Sine power 3x is equal to 1 by 4 into sine x minus sine 3x. Here you can see what is the formula for sine power 3a. Sine power 3a is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sine a minus sine 3a. Put a is equal to x. Therefore, sine power 3x is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Okay. Here you can see 1 by 4 is common. The first term is 3 sine x by d power 3 minus 1 minus sine 3x by d power 3 minus 1. For both the cases, here you can see a is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1, put d square is equal to minus 1. Here a is equal to 3, a square is equal to 9, put d square is equal to minus 9. D power 3 can be written as d square into d. Therefore, 1 by 4 into 3 sin x by d power 2 into d minus 1. Similarly, sin 3x by d power 2 into d minus 1. What is the substitution? 1 by 4 into 3 sin x by d square is equal to minus 1 is the first case, d square is equal to minus 9 is the second case. Therefore, minus d minus 1 minus sin 3x by minus 9d minus 1. For both the cases, minus is common. Therefore, 1 by 4 into minus 3 sin x by d plus 1 here plus sin 3x by 9d plus 1. 9d plus 1. Here you can see operate with d minus 1 numerator and denominator. Here you can see operate with 9d minus 1 for both the numerator and denominator. Therefore, 1 by 4 into minus 3 into d minus 1 into sin x by d minus 1 into d plus 1 here plus 9d minus 1 into sin 3x by 9d minus 1 into 9d plus 1. What we get? Minus 1 by 4 into minus 3 into d minus 1 into sin x by d square minus 1 plus 9d minus 1 into sin 3x by 9 means 81. 90 whole square means 81 d square minus 1. Here you can substitute d square is equal to minus 9. Here you can substitute d square is equal to minus 1. Here d square is equal to minus 9. What do we get? 1 by 4 into minus 3 into d of sin x minus sin x by d square is minus 1 minus 1. 9d into sin 3x minus sin 3x by 81 into minus 9 minus 1 that is equal to 1 by 4 into minus 3 cos x, derivative of sin x is cos x minus sin x by minus 2. Here derivative of sin 3x is 9 into 3 cos 3x minus sin 3x by 81 into 9 is 9, 72 minus 1 that is equal to minus common 1 by 4 into 3 cos x plus sin x by 2. Here 27 plus 27 cos 3x minus sin 3x by minus 730. It is PI 2. Coming to the PI 3, PI 3 is equal to, what is PI 3? 2 by f of d. What is meant by 2 by f of d? 2 into e power 0x by d power 3 minus 1. Put d is equal to 0. 2 into 1 by minus 1 that is equal to minus 2. Therefore, solution y is equal to CF plus PI that is equal to, what is CF? 1 comma minus 1 by 2, that means c1 e to the power of x e to the power of 1 by 2 into x, c2 cos root 3 by 2x plus or minus c3 sin root 3 by 2x. Next pi1, here you can see minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. pi1 is here x into e to the power of x by 3 plus pi2 is here 1 by 4 into 3 cos x plus sin x by 2 plus 27 cos 3x minus sin 3x by minus 730. pi3 is minus 2 is the complete solution of the problem. Here you can see sin 3a formula is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cubed a. Sin power 3a is equal to 1 by 4 into 3 sin a minus sin 3a. Similarly, you can apply the cos 3a formula also. Cos 3a is equal to 4 cos power 3a minus 3 cos a. Here also you can find the cos 3 power a. Cos 3 power a is equal to, you can send the cos 3a to left side. 3 cos a plus cos power 3a is by 4 is equal to cos power 3a. Like this you can apply the cos power 3 also. Okay, next come to the problem number 25. Solve d power 4 minus 2d power 3 plus 2d square minus 2d plus 1 into y is equal to cos x. First write the auxiliary equation. Next come to the roots. What are the roots for this one? 1 comma plus or minus I, m comma a plus or minus I by m is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, that is complex form, b is equal to 1. Therefore roots are equal and complex. Then usually you can write the complementary function c1 plus c2x into e power mx plus e to the power of ax into c3 cos bx plus c4 sin bx, where m is equal to 1, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. You can complete the complementary function. Next, coming to the particular integral cos x by d power 4 minus 2d power 3 plus 2d square minus 2d plus 1. Here you can see what is the coefficient of x. A is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1, put d square is equal to minus 1. What happened? Here you can see cos x by d power 4 can be written as d square into d square minus 2 into d square into d plus 2d square minus 2d plus 1. What is the substitution for a d square? D square is minus 1. Therefore, here you can write cos x by, first one is minus 1 into minus 1, second one is minus 2 into minus 1 into d, third one is plus 2d square means 2 into minus 1 minus 2d plus 1. What we get? Here you can see cos x by 1 plus 2d minus 2 minus 2d plus 1. Here you can see positive minus 2 gets cancelled, 2d cancelled, that is equal to cos x by 0 is not defined, For this case, here you can see if you get the denominator 0, you can slightly modify the denominator value. Cos x by, you can write it as d square into d square minus 2 into d square into d plus 2d square minus 2d plus 1 is the denominator value. Here you can see if you substitute d square is equal to minus 1, you get the 0 in the denominator. This type of problems you can keep 1 d square as it is. Okay, cos x by d square means minus 1 into d square minus 2 into minus 1 into d plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2d plus 1. Okay, here you can see keep the 1d square as it is for 0 case. Here you can see cos x by, what do we get? D square plus 2d minus 2 minus 2d plus 1. Here minus 2d plus 2d gets cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1 is cos x by, here you can see minus d square minus 1, that is equal to minus common cos x by d square plus 1. It is in the form of, here also you can substitute d square is equal to minus 1. If d square, if minus 1 equal to what happened? 0. Then what is the rule for this one? Cos ax by d square plus a square is there. Then x by 2a into sin ax is the rule. Therefore, for 0 case, the rule is x by 2 into 1, because a square is 1 square, that is 1. Sin x, that is equal to minus x sin x by 2 is pa. Solution is, solution y is equal to cf plus pa. Y is equal to, what is the roots? 1 comma 1 comma plus or minus I. C1 plus C2x into e power x plus C2 cos x plus C3 sin x is the complementary function. Next, C1, C2, C3 and C4 for 4 roots. Okay. Next, PA is equal to minus x sin x by 2. It is PA. By adding CF and PA, we get the solution. This is the 0 case problem and d power 4. Okay, here you can see, you can substitute d square is equal to minus 1. Simply you get the 0. For this type of problems, you can keep the 1 d square as it is. You can substitute remaining value. You get the formula, that is d cos ax by d square plus a square form. You can apply the formula. Then we get x by 2a into sin x. We get it is 0 case problem. Next, coming to the next problem, d power 4 minus 5d square plus 4 into y is equal to 10 cos x. Straight away you can write the auxiliary equation. Then find the roots by Harness method. It is, the roots are 1 comma minus 1, 2 comma minus 2, all are unequal. Therefore, you can read it as m1, m2, m3, m4. You can write the unequal roots formula. Next, write the complementary function. After completing the complementary function, here you can see cos x. Cos x means a is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1. Put d square is equal to minus a square, that is equal to minus 1 in denominator. That can be written as cos x by, what is d power 4, d square into d square minus 5d square plus 4. You can substitute d square is equal to minus 1. What happened? That is equal to 10 cos x by minus 1 into minus 1 minus 5 into minus 1, because the d square into d square, d power 4 can be written as d square into d square, minus 5d square is 5 into minus 1 plus 4. What happened? 10 cos x by 1 plus 5 plus 4. Simply it is 10 cos x by 10. 10 cancel, non-zero. Therefore, PA is equal to cos x. Solution, y is equal to CF plus PA, CPA. Therefore, y is equal to, the roots are C1 e power x, C2 e power minus x, C3 e power 2x, C4 e to the power of minus 2x, because all the roots are unequal. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Therefore, PA is plus cos x is the solution for this problem. It is a non-zero case, you get the direct solution. But you have to remember, for d power 4, you can write d square into d square. You can substitute separately, d square is equal to minus 1. That is the rule for d power 4 problem. Okay. Next problem is d power 3 plus 1 into y is equal to sin 2x plus 1. For this problem also, straight away it is in operator form. You can write the auxiliary equation. Next, here you can apply the formula of a power 3 plus b power 3 also. Otherwise, you can find the Harness method for the roots. You can apply the Harness method. What you get? Minus 1 comma 1 by 2 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. That is m1 comma a plus or minus ib. Unequal and complex roots, write the unequal formula and complex formula. Straight away you get the complementary function. After getting the complementary function, you can go for the particular integral. Sin 2x plus 1 by d power 3 plus 1, sin 2x by d power 3 plus 1 plus 1 by d power 3 plus 1, pi1 plus pi2. What is pi1? pi1 is equal to sin 2x by d power 3 plus 1. It can be written as sin 2x by d power 3 plus 1 can be written as d square into d plus 1, d square into d plus 1. Here substitute d square is equal to minus 4. What we get? Minus 4d plus 1. It can be written as minus 1 by 1 minus 4d. Operate with 1 plus 4d numerator and denominator. 1 plus 4d into sin 2x by 1 plus 4d into 1 minus 4d. 1 plus 4d by denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square, where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4d. Therefore 1 minus 16d square, put d square is equal to minus 4, we get 1 plus 64. Therefore sin 2x, d of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x, sin 2x plus 8 cos 2x by 65 is the pi1. pi2 is equal to constant value 1 into e power 0x by d power 3 plus 1. Put x coefficient is 0 in d, d is equal to 0 after getting 1 into 1 by 1, that is 1. Solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore c1 e power minus x, c2 e power x by 2 into c1 cos root 3 by 2x plus or minus c3 sin root 3 by 2x plus sin 2x plus 8 cos 2x by 65 plus 1 is the complete solution for this problem. Okay, next last problem of the session is d power 3 plus 4d plus y into y is equal to 5 plus sin 2x. Here also the problem is in operator form. Go for the solution, that is auxiliary equation. M power 3 plus 4m equal to 0. You can take m common. There is no constant. Therefore you can substitute. You can take common m. M equal to 0. M square plus 4 equal to 0. You can comparing with. You get the complex roots. Therefore the roots are unequal and complex. Unequal means m1. Complex means a plus or minus ib, where m1 is equal to 0, a is equal to 0, b is equal to 2. You can write the formula and substitute the value. You get the c1 plus c2 cos 2x plus or minus c3 sin 2x. Here you can remember e power 0x is equal to 1. Pa is equal to 5 plus sin 2x by f of d. First pi1 is 5 by f of d plus sin 2x by f of d. Therefore it can be written as pi1 plus pi2. pi1 is equal to 5 into e power 0x by d power 3 plus 4d. Here you can substitute d is equal to 0. What we get? Denominator gets 0, is not defined. For this case you go for the formula 5 into x into e power 0x by derivative of d power 3 plus 4d is 3d square plus 4. You can substitute. If f of 0 is equal to 0, then pi1 is equal to, what is the formula? X into e power ax by f dash of a, that means derivative. 3 into 0 square, that means derivative of the f is 3d square plus 4. In d you can substitute 0. 3 into 0 square plus 4, 5x by 4. E power 0 is 1. E power 0x is equal to 1. Next, pi2 is equal to sin 2x by d power 3 plus 4d. Sin 2x by d into d square plus 4d. D power 3 can be written as d into d square. Put d square is equal to minus 4 because x coefficient is 2. A square is equal to 4. Put d square equal to minus 4. Minus 4d plus 4d, therefore it is 0, not defined. Therefore take d common. D square plus 4 is another term. What is the meaning of 1 by d? 1 by d means integration of sin 2x. Integration of sin 2x is equal to cos 2x by 2. Integration of sin 2x is equal to minus cos 2x by 2. Therefore, here you can see minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x by d square plus 4. Because of integration of sin 2x is minus 1 by 2 into cos 2x. Here you can see, if you substitute d square is equal to minus 4, it becomes 0. Therefore, if minus 4 equal to 0, then rule is cos ax by d square plus a square is equal to x by 2 into sin ax. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 is constant, x by 2a is 2, that is a square. A square means 2 square 2 into a. 2 into a is 2 into 2 sin 2x. Therefore, minus x by 8 into sin 2x is P2. Therefore, solution is combination of complementary function and particular integral. Therefore, y equal to c1 plus c2 cos 2x plus or minus c3 sin 2x plus 5x by 4 minus x by 8 into sin 2x is the solution. Up to this problem, we complete the sin ax, cos ax, sin ax into cos ax, etc. and d power 3 and d power 4 complete problems of the higher order linear differential equations. Okay, bye.